Good morning, class. Welcome back in computer class. Today I will teach you chapter 4, Advanced Formatting in MS Word. Now listen, first of all, open MS Word with any file. Because of in this you have to apply some formatting feature. To apply some formatting feature, you must have to type some matter. In formatting, first formatting is paragraph formatting. We can format a paragraph in Word by adjusting the spacing between the line of a paragraph or the spacing between two adjacent paragraphs. Now line spacing. Line spacing is the vertical space between two adjacent lines of a paragraph. Now to apply line spacing, you have to click on Home tab and in paragraph group click on line spacing option. In this option there are many line space given 1.0, 1.0, 1.15, 1.115, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0 and some other line option. Now for apply, first of all select your paragraph and click in line spacing. Select here like that one, 1.5, 2 line, just select 2 point. Look now here example, here line spacing between two line become more space. So this is your line spacing option. Paragraph spacing. If you want to give space between two paragraphs, if you want to give space between two paragraphs, then you can also give space. Here just I am making two paragraphs, like one paragraph from here, another from here. Here is two paragraph. Now look now, I am making some changing. Here two paragraph appearing. In this I am going to give some space between or remove space between paragraph. Select both paragraph. Click in this option and look here two option given. Remove space before paragraph. Remove space after paragraph. First apply remove space before paragraph. Look now, look here, before starting the paragraph some space are removed. Again click, again select remove space after paragraph. Select this. After paragraph whatever distance between two paragraph are removed. In the same way we can add this also. Click add space after paragraph. Look here are space are added. So this is your space between paragraph. Next one is indent. Indent describes the distance of a line or paragraph from the margin. From the margin. Indents describe the distance of a line or paragraph from the margin. Indent are of four types: left indent, right indent, first line indent and hanging indent. Left indent sets the starting point of all lines in a paragraph from the margin. Right indent sets the end point of all line in a paragraph from the margin. First line indent sets the starting point of the first line of a paragraph from the margin. In hanging indent set the starting point of all the line except the first line. Now listen how to apply paragraph indent. To apply paragraph indent, click on this is the paragraph dialog box launcher. Paragraph dialog box launcher. Here indentation option given. Indentation left like that 1.2 like that. You can add here 3 point. From right you can also set here indent whatever want. Some special first line and hanging line. The first line you can also add like first line whatever want. You can give like that indent. This is your indentation. After changing, click on OK button and now look the paragraph changing. Look what changing is going in paragraph. Just I am clicking on OK button. Look now earlier paragraph are appear in this way. Now after changing indent appear in this way. This is your indentation option. Next topic is your page formatting. We can change the margins and orientation of a page. We can also apply a page border. This is known as formatting a page. Now page margin. Margin means distance from edge of the page to the text. Page margin is the blank space between the text and the side of a page. A page has 4 margin: top margin, bottom margin, left margin and right margin. Look here, this is the top margin and this one the left margin. This is the border of page and this is the text and this one the right margin. And now at bottom area, in this area, from here to this area, means from here to this area, this is your bottom margin. Means in margin area we can't add easily text. This is your margin. To apply margin, simply click on page layout and then click in margin. This is your already some margin are given: normal, narrow, very less margin, moderate, average, wide, mirrored, Office 2003 default and some custom margin. In custom margin you can also set margin according to your needs. This is your margin. Here top margin, how much want, 1 inch, 2 inch, whatever want, 1.5, here 1.4, 5 left, bottom whatever want you can give according to your needs, set. And after that click on OK button. Look now changing. Just I am showing this changing. Look here changing. Just now this is your without margin already default margin, and this one the after changing the margin. This is your margin. Next topic is your page orientation. Page orientation is the way in which a Word document is displayed and printed. This is a two type of orientation: portrait, landscape. Portrait, the document is displayed vertically. In this view, the height of page is more than its width.